next demo we're going to do is Core Impact. Core Impact is one of the high-end commercial products that excels at penetration testing. So what you do when you first start the Core program is New Workspace. What you're going to do is name it. So we'll name it Test. Okay, and you can put all your data in here, company name, contact name, and all that, but this is enough to start with. And there's the license we've got for Core, typical Class C. Passphrase, this means you got to put in a password, and I'm just going to put in password. We're not done yet. See this rectangle here? We have to move our mouse around in this rectangle until it's ready to encrypt it. Once we're done, it does a random encryption of our workspace. This is so if somebody opens your Core, they have to know your password to be able to open your workspace and see what work you're doing, which is good protection when you're pen testing and you get more than one people or more than one person uses your computer. Passphrase does not match. Well, you gotta get the passphrase right. Let's try again. But you notice the encrypted random number is already generated, so all you gotta do is get the passphrase right, and then it comes up and gives you your workspace. Alright, as I said, you could have all your company details in here also. This happens sometimes in the latest version of Core. What I found is you gotta go under Tools, Options, Network, and then pick the interface. Alright, once you get the right interface, Core seems to be fine. But when you first do it, it comes up as localhost. Not sure about that. Probably have to send that in to find out what the folks at Core will tell you. So first thing we're going to do is network information gathering. Okay. So you go into the wizard and fill out the data. Well, I know what my IP is, so I just tell it to go directly to the IP, which in this case is still our same target machine of .87. And you can do custom, which means sometimes if you're running through some filtering, some other issues that security people have put in front of you, you're going to go to custom so you can slow down the scan, change it some different ways, connect, those types of things. For now, we're just going to use it as default sets. Now it starts over here. If you look up here, executed modules, it's showing you network discoveries running. Alright? As network discovery runs, there's going to be module output here as it goes. And there also will be a module log. There it is, scanning for one host. Different things it's going to do. You have to bear in mind I'm only running Core here with the bare minimum 512 mega RAM. I did that for a specific reason. I wanted to make sure that you could see it will run in a virtual machine even though it's not supported in a virtual machine at 512 megabyte of RAM. I've been using a virtual machine for years. Alright, as you see, here's all the services on that machine. So that module is finished execution. Now we got the OS detection module, right? Now it's trying to figure out the OS detection. There it is, OS to Windows 2000 Unknown Service Pack 1. Okay? Now it's pretty much done. If you look here in our executed modules, they're all finished. This is what's really cool about Core. Everybody see this network attack penetration over here on my left side? Alright? What I'm going to do is, rather than go through the wizard, I'm just going to drag it and drop it, and it brings the wizard up instantly. Already has the IP address ready. Okay, use exploits that might leave a service unavailable, right? We're telling it, yeah, just jam away. And speed, privilege level, there's different things we can do, but we'll just leave it at default. Use the default settings. You can change it to do a TCP connect. There's a lot of different things you can do with this Core program. And finish. And there it goes. Now it's running. Agent connector, and here's all your network attacks that are running right here. Right in this area here. And there it is. Did you hear that? New agent deployed. And there it is, agent 0. Right? Everybody with me? Right click. You go shell. And there you go. You're on the box. It's our same old reliable target, hostname DC1. And you hear that? Boom, new agent deployed. He's got another one. Now he's got agent 0, he's got agent 1. Core will sit here and drop agents on the box until you tell it to stop. Alright, it just hammers at it. And you can imagine, since it's hammering, just like any hammering will do, your intrusion detection systems will be going off left and right. So you have to be careful when you run a tool like this. If you know they've got intrusion detection systems and part of your scope of work is evasion, you're probably not going to run core until you get everything else done. In fact, when I have pen testing and run the pen testing courses, I tell people don't run core until you get everything else done, because core is so easy, just point and click. Sane is also easy, but as you see, core, it's just right click. Oh, let's see, browse files. There we go. There's your files and what System 32 access. Right, your DLLs, you got your SAM database. You can, dump that with PWDump. You can drag and drop PWDump into this. Pretty much anything you want. That's the power of core. All right, so core will sit here and run and run and run, but for the purposes of our demo, we're pretty much done. All right, different things you can look at. Core's got a lot of different things. It's got amazing features. And if you're taking the course and you take the course face to face, we set you up with a temporary core license. If you take the course online, then you might have a little bit more work, but we'll have that information available online shortly. This concludes the demo of Core Impact. Enjoy the tool and have some fun.